Hello and welcome to the Embedded Online Conference.
My name is Milica Kostic.
My name is Amar Begovic.
Hi, I'm Michael, CEO at Embedded.
My name is Burkhard Stubert.
Hi, my name is Dr. Don Wiltshire.
I have two names, Frida and Gail, and I love them both.
My name is James Granny.
My name is Johan Kraft.
I'm Phil Copeman.
My name is John Taylor.
I'm Komati Sundaram.
My name is Mark Hermling.
My name is Mubel Aziaya.
My name is Prabhu.
My name is Reinhard Keil.
This is Kwabena with OpenMV.
And today we're going to discuss about Rust.
And today we'll be talking about managing software components in embedded projects.
Adding observability in CI and system testing.
An introductory session on cryptography.
Decoupling drivers from the hardware and why it is a good thing.
And I'm excited to present this talk about automated hill test processes.
And I have a very exciting presentation for you here today on optimizing the developer DevSecOps experience, specifically focusing on embedded systems.
In this presentation, we're going to cover a lot of ground very quickly, including AI-powered design tools, AI-powered robots, AI-powered holograms, and human-in-the-loop.
Today I'll be talking about the RISC-V custom function unit.
And today I'm going to be talking about how AI-accelerated microcontrollers will change everything in embedded systems.
How GitHub Copilot helps embedded software developers.
Be afraid. Be very afraid.